Ironwood Electronics recently developed a socket for network device processor. The device is 42.5 mm square, 44 by 44 array, 1936 pin ball grid array. The device, when it is powered up, also generates 135 watt at max. So the socket is designed with a heatsink and an axial flow fan. In order to use this device, since it is a network device processor, the performance needs to be really high. So the interconnect technology used in the socket is an elastomer contact that can handle up to 94 GHz bandwidth. The socket is mounted on a test board with the support plate on the bottom side. This is very important because the amount of force used to compress is 40 pounds and the boards will get deformed if there is no support plate. To use it, mount the socket using hardware, look for the A1 orientation, place the device into the socket. It is guided by an IC guide. The balls are guided by the ball guide, thereby it connecting down to the elastomer. Place the heatsink. The heatsink has a spring-loaded screws on all four sides. Once when the heatsink is placed in, you have to tighten all the 12 screws to connect the device down to the board, and at the same time the heatsink will also have enough compression on the device to pull the heat away. Thank you.